Hey everybody, I'm Miss Lewis, and it's my dog. Miley, stop. Sorry. Um, and so I just wanted to give you like a short video about how to like do the course, how to best be successful in the course, and that kind of thing. All right, so you're in Blackboard. I'm going to minimize that. Okay, you're in Blackboard. This start here syllabus. Uh, oh, this course syllabus and calendar. When you open it up, it okay, I want to show you. It's kind of important. All right, so if you haven't signed up for the text messages, you text that phone number 81010, and then you text the message, the @ message. My email address is highlighted. If you need help, like ask me. I can't help you unless you ask me, and I want to help you. I want you to be successful. So don't like suffer in silence. And the bottom of the syllabus is what we're going to be covering each week. So like week 1, we're doing chapter 1 and chapter 2. Week 2, we're doing chapter 3. Okay, over here to the right are independent homework problems. I'm not going to pick them up, but I'm telling you, if you don't try them and do them, you're not going to do very well like on your quizzes and your tests because you're not going to have practice. All right, if you get the actual book, the hard copy book, the 10th edition, then you're going to do that column of homework. If you do the digital, the PDF one, which is the link I gave you or give you, you'll do that column. And so then like week 3, we do chapter 4 and then a couple things in 5. Anyway, and so it goes through. Everything is generally, I know that says Wednesday, but I'll pick it up Sunday. I'll pick up pretty much everything on Sunday. I put the Wednesdays in there to kind of help you time manage so that, and the Fridays on there to help you kind of time manage so that you don't get too far behind. But on the 8th week, your final exam is due Friday because I have to turn in grades. And so if you don't do it by Friday, I'm not going to have time that weekend to turn in grades. All right, hang on. Get back. Okay, so that the syllabus and calendar. It's pretty much your Bible, like what we're going to do each week. All right, if you want to learn more about me, you can read about me. It's super exciting. So this is your free textbook. If you are okay with the PDF, if you want something hard to hold, then get the textbook. And let's go to more about me, because sure, all right, there I am with makeup on. I'm about to go get my kids from school right now. And then there is, oh, that's, all right, course content. So this is where you're going to live. There's that same link to the textbook, so you can just save it or always just have that link right there. This right here, this graphing calculator help, we are going to be hang on. There we are. All right, we're going to be majorly using a graphing calculator. You can get an 84, you can get an 84 plus, you can get an 83 plus, but you need a graphing calculator. I always use the Texas Instruments ones, so those are all my tutorials are with Texas Instruments ones. Excuse me, my suggestion is that you, if you don't have one, and this is maybe your last math class, that you borrow one from a friend. You get a used one off Craigslist or like one of those Facebook garage sale sites, so that you don't have to spend the $120. All right, you have one course project. you don't see all of this. So you can do a survey, option 1. It's going to be to the Friday of week 7, so I have time to grade it. Or you can do a research paper. You can read about them. If you have questions, please ask. I can't help you unless I know how to help you. Here's what I really care about. Okay, so right now, you can only see week 1, but eventually, like, I will be opening, right, those other weeks as we get there. I don't want to overwhelm you and be like, here's everything we're going to learn, because then you would feel this or something. All right, at the top, I'll always give you, like, your to-do. Week 1, I don't have videos of me teaching the content because it's vocabulary. You don't want to see me read vocabulary. And it's how to draw graphs. You don't want to watch me draw graphs. You pretty much know how to draw graphs. Okay, and then you'll have discussion boards. You always need to post yours and then reply to at least 2 others. I will put PowerPoint slides like from the book. If that helps you, great. If it doesn't, that's fine. I will put notes that are blank, and then I'll put the answer key. And so what you should do is you should, like for this first thing, you should open the book, fill out the notes as you go through the book, and then check them with the answer key. And then in the next weeks, when I have videos, you can complete the notes as I do the videos. And so it kind of helps guide your note taking. And so you're not like, well, should I write this down? Is it important? I don't know. All right, and so for each chapter, or kind of like important section, I'll have a quiz. So the quizzes, let me go back to read this to you. All right, so the quizzes, you can open them, like look at the questions, close it, like you can save it and come back to it. You can only submit it twice, and it will take, I'll accept your highest grade. There's multiple choice, true, false, and then fill in the blank. Quizzes, please, if you want to use your notes that you've taken or the textbook, feel free to. I want you to, I'm just using it as like a check to make sure you're staying on task and you're doing your work. I'm not here to catch you. I'm not here to, try to trick you. All right, so you'll just like go through a quiz and you can save your answers. If you do, I don't know, 3 or 4, save it and come back, and then you can submit when you're done with it. All right, then you have discussion boards. Week 1 has several because it's week 1, but normally you have 1, maybe 2 each week. And so you go to create a thread, write your answer, and then by Sunday, normally by Wednesday, if you're staying kind of on task, you should post your initial, and then by Sunday you should post your reply to 2 other people. If you do everything by Sunday, then it's kind of hard because some people may have not replied. They should be like 2 to 5 sentences, show that you have some intelligence, put some effort in it, that kind of stuff. All right, a couple other things. You can message me on here. The very best way is that text messaging. It comes straight to me. Normally I reply pretty quickly unless I'm sleeping. Okay, if you need tutoring, we have tutoring at Concordia, and you can call somebody. That one's free. Or you can go to thistutor.com, but click on this link right here, otherwise it's going to charge you. There we go. So, all right, and so then you just pick, like, hey, I need help with, and then you pick statistics, and then there you go. Whatever you need, okay? But there's a tutor 24/7 on that thing. You are welcome to ask me. I'm not here to just kind of throw you to the book, say do some statistics, like I am here to teach you. All right, boo, it's not. All right, so that's pretty much like how to do this course. If you have questions, let me know. This right here, this discussions. These are the discussion boards. Like several of you have replied, and it tells you like which week. So like week 3 has 1, week 2 has 1. So week 1 is pretty much the one that's heavy. All right, so if you need help, you have to reach out. Otherwise, I don't see you every day, so I can't read your faces. I can't tell if you need help. So you need to be proactive instead of reactive. So if something happens in your life that you're kind of getting behind, let me know so I can help you. I don't want you to drown. I know how to save you, and Jesus walks on water, but you can't just like drown. You need to reach out for help. Okay, guys? All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.